To turn the system on, press the power button located at the top of the display. Battery life is located at the bottom of the screen. Each bar indicates 20% of the battery. Hold the plus button to turn your light system on and off. Hold the minus button to change the information displayed on the screen. A single click of the plus and minus button will change your assist level up and down. Eco uses a little bit of battery, while Turbo uses quite a bit. For walk assist, hold the button located at the bottom of the display. You can also turn the system on using the power button located at the front of the battery. Each of the 5 LEDs located at the front of the battery represent 20% of the battery's life. To charge your battery, peel back the flap and plug in your charger. To remove your battery, turn the key and pull up on the end. You can also charge your battery when it's off the cycle. To reinstall your battery, locate the tab at the front end and swing into place until you hear the latch close properly. Always avoid storing your battery in extreme temperatures.